Hi, Claire with Roostin Woodworks. What we have here is the very popular Classic Series 8-sided oblong octagon pedestal, developed for people that want to do the elk and Cape Buffalo, things of that nature on top of them. It's plenty big for that. We have 30-inch overall height. We have an installed bottom. We have a mounting surface of 24 by 32 with a 3/4 inch recess. And as you can see, that gives you plenty of surface and plenty of stability for large mounts. These pedestals are finished with our special spray finish that pops these colors out. And it's a black walnut rustic wood that we use on these. And they need to be crated. They are shipped free to you to a commercial address by truck freight. Any questions, give us a holler here, roostinridge.com. Thank you.